So, well, no, not so. Hi guys, welcome to my New Year's vlog. But it's not just New Year's. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I'll try this again later. Turn around, driver. Say hi to the vlog. Wait, say again.
Hi vlog. Oh, maintenance weekend. Oh,
Say hi, everything.
hi everything. Hi guys. So let me tell you what. I almost said your government name. Let me tell you what Kito did. Right. So, we went to Langstrand, right, to get our bracelets before the queue starts queuing, right? Okay, cool. Now the person we went with, he's going to Wolfie Bay, so he just dropped us off. We all got our bracelets and then he was supposed to leave, right? Now the problem was we had no way of going back. Yes, there's Yango in Sokop now, but the drivers
They
were
maybe
not.
have 3 drivers because there's no way.
You
no
will
way.
go back
To where?
to Windhoek.
I will take this plastic bag. Don't start with
Right?
me.
So now the drivers were not available. So Manga was in Langstrand. So we decided no, our friend should go drop us in at her place, right? Cool, we went. And then it was time to leave again. She suggested we go stand at the stop and hike. Right? Which I wasn't gonna stop the people, right? Cool. We tried calling someone to give us a number so that we can contact those 7-seaters they drive open enough most now, right? The men's is going to Windhoek. There was no way of us going, so we decided to go stand. She stops a car, right?
I just want to say, the car, like, literally he was driving past
He
and
just-
then he hooted. And I was like, okay, let's give it a shot. And he really stopped.
Right. We got on. She said, "Swak up." Cool. Fine. We are sitting in the car, right? This man did not ask where you going, where am I dropping you off? Because from what I know, they do drop-offs and pickups, like literally whatever point you tell them to, right? Now this man is not asking. And then he turns to the road of the SPCA, right? And I'm like, where are we going? Because I thought he was gonna ask like where we're going so that maybe we can get off at KFC or whatever the case, right? No, this man does not ask. He continues driving. I tell Kito, tell the man to drop us off at shop, right? Because it was like on the way, so he doesn't go further away from where we have to go. This girl decides she's not talking. I should talk. I don't like talking to people. So now, then we get to the stop of shop, right? She's like, should we just get off here? And I'm like, we have to pay? So I don't know. And then I'm like, there's a service. Tell the man to stop at the service. No, she does not tell this man. This man continues
I just want to
driving.
say, I said, hello, excuse me,
After we passed the service station.
He didn't answer me, and I asked the
You
person
asked
next.
after we passed the service station.
asked the person next to us, and he said, "Oh, we're getting dropped off at what?"
Truckport.
Yeah.
Was that the word? There are people coming. I don't like people. Okay, bye.
Wait, before I start this intro, I just want to know, like, after you don't see your friends, like when you see your friends for the first time in a long time, do you guys also just like show each other all your new things? And you're like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Anyways, oh, this is better. So the reflection is bad. I don't like it.
Hey, did y'all also do this? Like when you don't want a dog to shit and it comes out, like it takes forever to come and see, he's struggling. You didn't do this.
Is he gonna smell his butt?
See, now he's gonna stop taking a dump because it's not coming out because I'm doing this. See?
It's coming.
He's trying so
It's
hard.
coming. Hi guys, welcome to my New Year's vlog. It is the 28th. Today is day 1 in Soccer Moon. I just arrived. I just arrived at like 10:30. So far, we got our bands, we went to get some snacks and pre-party drinks, and we're at home, freshening up, and then, you know, getting our outfits together. Please don't mind the reflection. There's nothing I can do about it. I will not take off my glasses because I need to see myself. My phone needs to go and charge. Anyways, yeah, we're just at home getting ready. This is the intro to the video. I hope you enjoy. I don't usually make outros to the videos, so I'm going to make it now. So at the end of this video, when you see me look exactly like this, when it's been like days later, you will know.
It's so shaky. I forgot to put in nail glue. Okay, my one nail is gonna pop off. We are now en route.
I was so well taken care of this morning.
Yeah.
I didn't even have to pack a bag.
Okay.
My outfit was taken out for me.
And then your swimsuit is not there.
I saw it. I saw the price tags.
Welcome to Kido's vlog. I'm new on the vlog. Actually, I'm not supposed to be. She just didn't want to upload that.
Either the other video or something else, but we'll film one today
Yes.
because I need to post on Sunday.
What's good?
So, hi guys, welcome to day 2. Day 2 ngano? Oh, I just want to say ne, my water is in the car. I just want to say ne, when you guys talk about rockstar level, what, I'm not that girl. Wow! I didn't know. I am not that girl. We're at the mall now. I can't walk any faster than this. I'll show you guys my feet. You will know exactly why. Can't walk faster than this. And oh yeah, we are here at the mall to get snacks to go sit at the beach and enjoy. Okay, bye.
I can't stand seeing with someone else, so I
What is this? What are you guys? What are the morning people? They are. So you guys don't even nap.
What do you mean that?
You don't want to nap.
But you sleep 8 hours during night time. It's enough, most.
Did you sleep 8 hours?
There's nothing that you can do.
So even now you are ready to start.
Oh.
Anytime. Anytime. It did not come to the coast to waste time.
Exactly, and sleep.
One thing about Ben, he didn't come to the coast to sleep at all. Especially, hello. Especially not in the place. Not in the place that he came to sleep at. He only goes to shower. One thing about Ben, he came to sleep in this car. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Ayo. I don't know what type of vlog this is going to be because there's no footage. Let's start with there's no footage. We don't do anything when there's good lighting. I'm very disappointed. During the day, all we do is sleep, and so there's nothing to film. Then at night, it's just out.
It's very funny, eh? We do the opposite. Interesting.
My rich friends don't know how to accommodate for my vlogging. Maybe today we'll do something during the day before we do the things during the night.
We agreed yesterday.
What did we agree?
You're gonna go. What's the name of the
Oh,
place?
we're having dinner.
And then go for dinner, which didn't happen.
No, but today is dinner day.
Because tomorrow it's drinking day.
Yeah.
The question is, where is the dinner happening? In Soko or here?
It doesn't matter. Either way, we have to
Either
come
way.
and finish the night here. Yeah, I slept very comfortably. I slept very comfortably. They always make fun of how, oh, you guys are so small. Is this it? When will you grow? You guys are too big. When are you gonna grow? What? Me, I can sleep on the couch. Can you sleep on the couch? I can sleep on the couch.
Hi guys, welcome to our haul. Okay, this is not sponsored content. We got 4 cups. 4 cups. You're going to pick an item, ne? And you're gonna advertise it to the camera as best you can. You need to convince my viewers to buy whatever it is that you pick.
We got an energy. Personally, I prefer porridge. Honestly, but matches with the meat next time.
I'm lost.
Get this.
This are peanuts and raisins. For the girls who like nuts, the girls who get it, the girls who don't. That's me.
Okay. So these are kombucha yogurt sweets. They're rolls, and as you can see inside, there's the one with pink, yellow. It matches. Come. It matches with those bro. You know, yeah.
I would never buy anything from any of us. Right, so this one is specifically for the boys. Come get your cookies. Come get your cookies.
Good morning again. This trip, ne? It was first, yeah guys, let's go to the coast, rockstar level. And then we just kept falling asleep. We're up again. It's New Year's Eve. It's the last day of the year. We are so grateful. We are so grateful to have come this far. It was a whole other kind of year, but today's the last day and we're going to make the most of it. And yeah, man, energy levels for me right now are really low, but you know, the show must go on. What did I want to come say? Oh yeah, last night we just went to the beach and that's it. So there's no missing footage, there's no nothing. We went to the beach, we came back home and we slept. And then today is Ami Day Club, Amos Day Club, whatever it is that you call it. Those are the plans for today. Gonna finish getting ready very soon and then head out already. Because knowing us, if we stay home any longer, we'll fall asleep and we'll only wake up next year. I wouldn't be surprised. But yeah, let's start. I feel very like energized. Bro, when I say we've had enough rest, I feel well rested actually, not energized. I feel well rested. We are hungry. Everything is closed. I want coffee. I don't want coffee. I don't need coffee. We're hungry and yet everything is closed. It's just money. Yeah. Anyways. I'm still missing a nail. Did I ever come and show the vlog or did I just post on my status? My nail popped off. The other one cracked. My nail popped off at SOS. Only when I got into the water. Popped off. And we put it in the bag so that I can glue it back on. And my favorite friend lost my nail. So I have 9. But it's okay. I'm getting my new set tomorrow. Also, I know I didn't mention this. Tonight is my last night here. And I have to leave the coast early tomorrow. Or okay, well, yeah, early because I need to be in the I need to be in Windhoek on the 2nd, on the 1st. But like, it doesn't really matter what time I leave. I am hoping to leave early because, you know, most reliable time to drive is when it's bright out. I don't want to leave at night. I will definitely be packing my bag. Like, once we finish getting ready, I'll pack my bag and put it in the car and then figure out how I'm gonna get to Windhoek. I'm going to be chilling with my luggage, okay? And for that reason, especially, I didn't bring a lot of stuff. I have like 1 bag and 1 backpack, and my son had this one, that one. So I'll be chilling in the car while we groove, and then I can go home. This trip is not anything like I expected, actually. This trip is not anything like I expected. I was expecting a lot more. I like it though. I prefer this over what I expected. It was a lot of resting, a lot of calm energy, just nice vibes, you know, with the people I like. Look, ne, yesterday, at least I've been sleeping in a bed. I slept in a bed the first night. I slept on the couch the second night. I slept in the bed last night. And then I'm not sleeping. Good morning. And I'm not sleeping at all tonight. So no, I'm sleeping in the car. I'm not even messing around like that. I am sleeping tonight. I will just sleep in the car.
watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Next time you must come with me because you can more see. You see what I get up to. Anyways.